Good afternoon. Indicator 1.2.1. The number 1 stands for the domain. Ano naman tong mga domains? Domain 1, content knowledge and pedagogy. Domain 2, learning environment. Domain 3, diversity of learners. Domain 4, curriculum and planning. Domain 5, assessment and reporting. How about 1.2? Stands for the strand. Ano naman yung strand? Okay, for domain 1, strand 1.1. Strand 1.3. So, kano yung domain niya? Hindi yung unang number ng strand. For example, domain 2, learning environment, strand 2.1, strand 2.2, strand 2.3, then domain 3, strand 3.1, domain 4, strand 4.1, domain 5, strand 5.1. Okay, so on. So, ano naman itong pinaka-last number or figure 1? Ito naman ay yung career stage. Ano yung mga career stages natin? So, career stage 1, or teacher 1 to 3, the beginning towards proficient. Career stage 2, teacher 4 to 7, proficient. Career stage 3, master teachers 1 to 2, highly proficient. Career stage 4, master teachers 3 to 5 are the distinguished. Patingnan natin yung mga classroom observation indicators ng school year 2025 to 2026 hanggang 2027 to 2028. So, kung napapansin natin, yung pinakadulo na number is 2. 1.1.2. Diba ang point 2 ay career stage 2. Diba ang career stage 2 ay proficient. So, alin dyan yung indicator ng career stage 1 or the beginning towards proficient? So, according to Debit Memorandum number 89, Series 2025, for purposes of PMES, teachers belonging to beginning towards proficient in proficient teachers categories shall adopt the indicators under the career stage 2 or proficient. However, in the classroom observation, beginning towards proficient teachers shall be rated based on levels 2 to 6 rubrics, while proficient teachers remain to be rated at levels 3 to 7. Patingnan natin yung ibang career stage. For career stage 3 or the highly proficient teachers, yung pinaka-last figure niya is 3, like 1.1.3. 1 is the domain, 1.1 is the strand, and the last number 3 is the career stage. For distinguished teachers, the last number is 4. 1.1.4, 1.4.4, 1 is the domain, 1.4 is the strand, and the last number 4 is the career stage 4 for distinguished teachers. That's it. Thank you.